I think I need one. Chat box, chat box. Do you have a book of quantitative aptitude?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, anyone, can you please share your email ID on my email ID? It's Faraz Khan. I'm
Sir, you
sharing my
can
email
type
ID,
it, sir.
Faraz Khan.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, you can type it, sir. I will dictate. You can type it, sir.
Okay, farazkhan07@gmail.com. I just typed it in chat box. So just share your email ID. So I will share the booklet with you. Okay, let's start the first topic, which is of reasoning. Sorry, which of aptitude, and it's a ratio and proportion. Let me share the PPT. Ratio and proportion. Okay, so in ratio and proportion, what is ratio? Anyone from the class? What is ratio? I'm audible to all.
Yes, sir. Ratio is just
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
means percentage between two figures, sir.
Can I take a ratio of 60 kg with 5 liter?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. For
60
same
kg
class.
with 5
No,
liter.
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, 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 sir.
No, na? So
No,
we
sir.
cannot take the ratio of 60 kg with 5 liter. So ratio is the comparison between the two same quantity. We can take the ratio of 40 kg with 60 kg, but we cannot take the ratio with 5 liter. 5 liter is comparable with 3 liter. Okay. So this is the symbol of ratio. A is to B. These two symbol is for ratio. Or we can write A upon B like this. Here A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. So it is not asked in any exam कि A क्या होता है B क्या होता है. So all of you are comfortable with English?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
All of you? Okay.
yes, sir.
So
Yes,
A is
sir.
Yes.
A
Yes,
upon
sir.
B. So this is ratio. Okay. The second thing is, what is proportion? What
So
is
it's the
proportion?
percentage of whole. Like if
No,
we take 20 percentage out of
no.
100%.
Just forget about percentage right now. Just forget about the percentage.
Sir,
A is
product
to
of
B.
means is equals to product of extreme.
Okay. Actually, proportion is when two ratios are equal or equivalent, we call them in proportion. And two ratios, for example, 2 by 3 and 4 by 6, they both are equivalent to each other. So they are in proportion. So if ABCD in proportion, we can write like this: A upon B equal to C upon D. Or if I cross multiply it, A into D, B into C. So here, these A is first proportion, B is second proportion, C is third, D is fourth proportion. A and D are the extreme values, so we call them extremas. So product of extremas equal to product of the middle values or mean. B and C are in middle, so we call them in mean values, mean proportion. So these are extreme values, these are the mean values. So A is the first term or first proportion. First term or first proportion is the same thing. Okay. So this D is a fourth term or fourth proportion. So we have very simple question in proportion like this. If 2, 3 and 4 are in proportion, 2, 3, 4 and 1 x, they are in proportion, find the value of x. So we just write 2 by 3 equal to 4 by x. This x is the fourth proportion. Just cross multiply it. we can easily find the value of x. So x is equal to 6. So the very first question comes on proportion is just find the first proportion or second proportion or third proportion in the given question. If I ask you what is the second proportion of these numbers, second proportion means this is A, this is C, this is D. We have to find the value of B. Okay. Any doubt? इसमें तो कुछ नहीं होगा, किसी को doubt? Anyone have any doubt in proportion?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
The second thing is in proportion. The second thing is there are some ratios. We call them. These are the we already discussed this thing. Continued proportion. Continued proportion. If A, B, C are in continued proportion, continued means A by B equal to B by C equal to C by D and so on. It means one of the variable is in continuation. Here B, then here C, then D, then E and so on. If A, B, C are in continued proportion, we can write like this: A by B equal to B by C. If I cross multiply them, I will get B square equal to AC or B equal to root AC. This B is called mean proportion. This B is called mean proportion. The question comes like this: if find the mean proportion of 16 and 25. Find the mean proportion of 16 and 25. क्या आएगा आंसर? What is the mean proportion for 16 and 25?
20.
This is A, this is C.
22.
So B is equal to root AC, which is 16 into 25. 16 is 4 and 25 for 5. So you will have 20 as the answer. So 20 is the mean proportion of 16 and 25. Okay, so this is the third concept. There are some terms. ऐसे अगर कभी पूछ लिए जाए, so there are some terms. And terms are, these are some terms. Duplicate ratio. If we square the ratio, we call it duplicate. If we take square root, we call it subduplicate. If we take cube root, we call it triplicate ratio. If we take cube root, then we call it subtriplicate. So duplicate is square, triplicate is cube. Okay. Now, second thing is how to combine the ratio. यही आएंगे पहले टाइप के क्वेश्चन. The first type question on ratio and proportion is combined ratio. To find the combined ratio. How to find the combined ratio? For example, if I have A is to B 3 by 4 and B is to C 6 by 7. I have to find the combined ratio of these two. A is to B is to C. Anyone from the class? How to find the combined ratio?
Sir, we will take the LCM.
The same.
Okay.
Sir, we will
We will take the LCM. LCM of what?
3, 4, 6, 7.
No. See, B is in continuation. One of the variable is in continuation. That's why we are merging it. We combined it. So here the value of B is 4, but here the value of B is 6. So we have to make this value of B equal. So we will take the LCM of 4 and 6. So LCM of 4 and 6 is, तो जो वेरिएबल कंटिन्यूएशन में होता है उसे हम इक्वल बनाना होता है. तो B here is in continuation, which have the values of 4 and 6. We have to make them equal by taking the LCM. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So we have
12.
to make this 4 and 6 is 12. So I have to multiply this by 3 and this by 2. So now the ratio becomes 9 is to 12 and 12 is to 14. So the final answer is 9 is to 12 is to
14.
One more thing, we will try to write our ratio in the simplest form. If something is common between all of the three, we have to divide it. For example, if it is 6/8, the simplest form of a ratio is 3/4. So we have to divide by 2. If it is possible, if something is common, we have to divide it. We have to write our ratio in the simplest form. So nothing is common between 9, 12, and 14. This is the final answer. So what we do here, we have to make the variable value equal by taking the LCM and just combine it. For example, एक और होता, instead of A, B, C, we have one more thing, C is to D, and C is to D is equal to 21 या 28 by 29 या कुछ और ले लेते हैं, 28 नहीं लेते. So I take 7 by 8. Combined ABCD. Okay, so how to combine ABCD? First, we combined AB with BC, which we already did. ABCD already we have. Now we have to combine CD with ABC. Now combine these two. What is the final answer? Let me see who joined. Name of person कहाँ है? So we have
9,
Nikita,
9, 12,
Nikita,
14,
9,
and
12.
16 would be the answer.
9, 12, 14, and 16. See, the value of C in ABC is 14. This is the common variable. Here the value of C is 7. So LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. So no need to multiply here by anything. Just multiply here by 2. So it becomes 14 is to 16. So the final answer is 9 is to 12 is to 14 is to 16. If something is common, we have to divide it. Otherwise, this is the final answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt? Anyone from the class?
No, sir.
The second thing is we have to use this combination of this combined ratio in word problem. First, we have to see. Okay. The second thing, this is first type of question. The second type of question is divide the given value in the respective ratio. For example, I have to divide 72 in 4:5. I have to divide rupees 72 into boys A and B in 4:5 ratio. So what is the share of A? And what is the share of B? So divide a value in the respective ratio. For example, I have to divide some value in the respective ratio of AB or C, just AB or ABC. 3 person होते तो ABC हो जाता. So I have to divide 72 into 2 ratio of 4:5. So we have two ways to simplify this question. The first way is we have to take a variable. Let A is equal to 4x, B is equal to 5x. I have taken a variable x here. So A is 4x, B is 5x. We know that the total value is 4x plus 5x is equal to 72. So 9x is equal to 72.
32, 40, sir.
X is equal to 8. So our values are 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So A share is 32 and B share is 40. This is the first way of doing this question. The another way is, the second way method is, so the share of A is equal to, total part is 4 plus 5, 9. The total ratio is 4 plus 5. Out of 4 plus 5, 9 parts, A is of 4 parts. So 4/9, the total value is 72. Well, B is 5 part out of 9 part multiplied with the respective value. So it will gives you the same answer, 32 and 40. But this is the way we use unnecessary. Do not here no need to take x as a variable and just try to solve like this. You can directly solve it. There is 4 part out of 9 part. 4 plus 5 is 9. So this is also another way of doing this question. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat the second method?
Second method is very easy. Just see the ratio. It's 4 and 5. Total is 4 plus 5, 9. Out of 9, how much A have? 4 part. How much B have? 5 parts. 4 upon 9 multiplied by the total value. 5 upon 9 multiplied by the total value. तो बस ये चेक करना है कि किसका कितना पार्ट है. टोटल पार्ट तो ये ऐड करके पता चल जाएगा. 4 plus 5 9 हो गए. ओके. जैसे
Yes.
3 रेस्पेक्टिव रेशियो में करना होता है. इफ ए बी सी, इफ वी हैव 3 रेस्पेक्टिव रेशियो, देन पार्ट ऑफ ए इज ए अपॉन ए प्लस बी प्लस सी. पार्ट ऑफ बी इज बी अपॉन ए प्लस बी प्लस सी. एंड पार्ट ऑफ सी इज सी अपॉन ए प्लस बी प्लस सी. टोटल में से कितना कौन है मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द रेस्पेक्टिव टोटल वैल्यू. इसकी जो भी टोटल वैल्यू का हमें डिवाइड करना है. तो दिस इज द मेथड we used here. Total value multiplied by the respective ratio. वही क्या है. Okay, क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. If I have to divide 72 into ratio A is to B, which ratio cannot be possible? Options are 4 is to 5, 5 is to 4, 5 is to 7, 3 is to 4, or 4 is to
3 is to 4. So 3 is to 4.
Out of these, which option cannot be the respective ratio of A is to B? If I divide 72 in 2%, which ratio cannot be possible?
3 is to 4.
3 is to 4?
Yes, sir.
E or
Sir,
ED?
Yes, sir.
D and E.
Both are the answers, D and D.
Yes,
Why?
sir. D and E. Sir,
Because
it is
it
not
comes-
divisible by 7.
And yes,
Whenever
whenever
we divide any value in the respective ratio ABC or AB, just AB or ABC, the value must be divisible by the addition of the ratio. 4 plus 5 give you 9. So 72 is divisible by 9, divisible by 12, but not divisible by 7. So respective value must be divisible by the sum of the respective ratios. These 3 by 4 or 4 by 3 cannot be possible. Okay, so this is the second question. The third question is, okay, if I give you something like this, a question ले लेते हैं. The ratio of boys and girls is 10 is to 3. When 36 girls more join the ratio becomes 10 is to 7. Find the number of boys. Initially, the ratio is 10 is to 3, but due to some addition, the ratio becomes 10 is to 7. Boys to girls, the ratio is 10 by. Okay.
Sir, can you show the question, please?
When 36 girls join the, ये तो कॉपी हो जाएगा. When 36 girls join, the ratio becomes 10 is to 7. So we have number of boys, we have number of girls. So actually number of boys are 10x, number of girls are 3x. Where we are adding something, we are adding something in numerator. Number of girls are increasing, so add 36 in numerator. Sometimes both are increases. Maybe there are some boys, so we add boys in numerator and the girls in denominator. So only girls are increasing. Now the ratio of boys to girls becomes 10 upon 7. So initial value of boys are 10x and girls are 3x. On addition of 36 girls, the ratio becomes 10 is to 7. Just cross multiply it. But basically 10 to 10 cancel out. If you want to simplify it, 10 ones
90
are
would be
10,
the
10
answer.
ones are 10.
9.
So
It will
9.
be
So
9.
it's 7x equal to 3x plus 36. 4x equal to 36. So x is equal to 9. If x is 9, then the numbers are 90 and 30 initially. Okay, so answer is 9. There is one more method. See, boys numbers are not changing. क्या चेंज हो रहा है? गर्ल्स नंबर कितने चेंज हो रहा है? इनिशियली इट इज 3 पार्ट, इट बिकम 7 पार्ट. क्यों इंक्रीज हुआ ये? 3 to 7 कैसे हो गया? बिकॉज ऑफ 36 गर्ल. इट मीन्स द 4 यूनिट इंक्रीज. 4 यूनिट का इंक्रीज हुआ ना. इनिशियली इट वाज 3, इट इज 3. आफ्टर एडिशन इट बिकम 7. नो चेंज इन द फर्स्ट वैल्यू. So 3 unit becomes 7 unit. Why? Because of 36 girls addition. So there is another way of doing this. So 4 unit is equivalent to 36. 1 unit is equivalent to 9. So 10 unit is equivalent to 9. This is only applicable when one of the values changes but other is constant. You can use this concept as well. 4 unit change is equivalent to 36 girl. 1 unit is equivalent to 9. 10 unit is equivalent to 9. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's try one question. Just a minute, एक मिनट दो मुझे और ये क्वेश्चन ट्राई करके देखो. क्वेश्चन. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर ए बी सी, ये तीनों क्वेश्चन करो. 2 minutes. I have to connect the charger. Till you try this question. आया
The
किसी का
answer
आंसर?
of A is 26 and 39. And
First.
yes, and B is 45, 18 and 27. And C is 32 and 48.
Okay, we will check. Just a minute. Okay, so we have a respective ratio which is 5:2:3. Okay, so first question. Okay, treat every question individually. Okay, first question, B and C is equal to 75. So B is 2 and C is 3. So 2x plus 3x is 5x. We take A as 5x, B is 2x and C is 3x. So B plus C is 5x equal to 75. So x is equal to 15. So our numbers are for this question A, 15 into 5, 15 into 2, 15 into 3. This is the answer for the first question. Okay. Now part B, A and B is 36 more than C. Yani ke 5x is the value of A, 2x is the value of B, and 3x is the value of C, which is 36 more. So A plus B is C plus 36. So this is the equation. If you simplify it, it will gives you 4x equal to 36. X is equal to 9. So your numbers are 45, 18, and 27. Similarly, you can solve the question number C. B and C is 96. B is 2 and C is 3. So 2x into 3x gives you 6x square, which is equal to 96. So x square is equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36. So x is equal to plus minus 4. So here no negative value here. So actually is plus minus 4, but we are dealing with only positive here. So x is equal to 4. If x is 4, the numbers are 20, 8, and 12. So these are three different questions. Then एक ही question पे based three different questions. The way of doing
So
all the three
fourth
are
part.
different. Fourth part भी वही है, simple है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. B is 18, so 18 is equal to B, which is 2x. So x is 9. If x is 9, then other numbers are 9 5s are 9 2s are 9 3s are. It's 2x equal to 18. Just put 2x equal to 18. The rest is 3x, 5x. Okay. Apart from this, let's have some other question. This one. So the ratio. So this is a question mixed with percentage. The right now initial ratio is 7:8. If we increase the value by 20% and 10% respectively, then what is the new ratio? If we increase this 7 by 20% and 8 by 10%, then what is the new value? So here we have to apply the concept of a percentage. So initial ratio is 7:8. This is increases by 20%. This is increases by 10%. So percentage पहले ही बता देता हूँ percentage कैसे निकालते हैं. If I have to find 20% increase, so I have to find 20%. 20% means 20 upon 100 into 7. So this is the 20% of 7, which is equal to कितना आ जाएगा? 1.4. Okay. This is 20% of 7. Similarly, 10% of 8 is 0.8. So the new values are 7 plus 1.4 gives you 8.4. And 8 plus 0.8 gives you 8.8. So this is your new ratio. So point se point is cancel out. So your answer is 84 upon 88. In the simplest form, if I have to divide it by 4, 4 2s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 2s are 21 upon 20. This is the new ratio. One more thing. This is one way of dealing with percentage. There is one more method. Instead of finding 20% and adding in the previous value, you can directly find 120%. 120% of 7 is 8.4. And 110% of 8 is 8.8. You can directly find it. So when we use a concept of percentage, either you can find 20%, add into the previous value, or you can directly find 120%. One more thing here, if I increase the value by 20%, it becomes 120%. Instead of increasing, ये होता अगर then the other value at denominator is decreased by 10%. So we subtract कर देते. So if I have to apply this concept here, so the new value becomes 90% of the previous value. If it is decreasing, so increase हो या decrease, 100 में add होता है, 100 में subtract होता है. If it is increasing by some percentage, it becomes 100 plus this. If it is decreasing by, then 100 minus this. So if it is increased by 20%, it becomes 120%. If it is decreasing by 10%, it becomes 90% of the previous value. Or you can find 10%, subtract from it. So two way of doing percentage. One is this, and one is this. Both are applicable. We use this one. ये वाला ज़्यादा use होगा. Directly find 120% instead of finding 20%. Directly find 120%. Okay. Anyone have any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is one
Sir?
more question.
Sir, if less than, if it will be
If it is
decreased
less
by
than, subtract from 100.
no, 8
if it is
minus
decreasing,
90%, sir.
if it is
multiply by
decreasing,
90%.
it becomes 90%.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Not multiplied by 90%, it becomes 90% of the previous value. Which means 90 by 100 into 8.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, one more thing. If, for example, this question, you already see how to divide the respective value in the respective ratio, but here the ratio is not in the simple format. So how to solve this question?
So 1:3:4, sir.
No, it is not 1:2:3. It is 1/2, 2/3, and 3/4.
Okay. We cannot combine, sir. This also because two
So
are
we will
It
make
is already
denominator
in a
equal.
combined form. It is already in a combined form, but it is in a fractional form.
yes, sir.
It's already a combined form, but it is in a fractional format. Till now, I have told you, I have teach you the simple ratio 2:3 3:4. But what we can do when the ratio is in a fractional format?
So we will make denominator equal.
Yes, sir. By
Ah.
taking it.
Take LCM.
Yeah, we have to remove the denominator by taking the LCM. So LCM of 2, 3, and 4. Just take the LCM of the denominators 2, 3, and 4. 12 multiplied the whole fraction by 12.
Is to 8
So-
is to 9, sir.
So new ratio becomes 6:3.
8
3
is
4s are 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 3 3s are 9. So 6:8 9 is the respective simplified ratio. Now you can easily divide 782 in this ratio. We have to find the first part, means we have to find the value of A. So A is equal to 6 out of 6 plus 8 plus 9. 6 plus 8 plus 9.
Upon 23.
Multiply by total value. It is 23. 6 upon 23 multiplied 782. So I think 782 is divisible by 23. How many times?
24.
23 is
24, sir.
23. 24.
34.
34. So 34 into 6.
204.
204.
204 is the answer. So main point here is this: if you have a fractional ratio, you have to simplify it. Why? Multiplying by the LCM of denominators. Okay. So this is the main step. Other thing is the same as just division. Okay, coins problem we will discuss in the next class. Coins problem. Okay, this is the same question as the previous question where the number of girls are increasing. Here the ratio changes because of addition of 5 in the denominator. Same concept, 4x 3x plus 5 equal to 4/5 multiplied. ये वही question है जो हम already कर चुके हैं. So see, there are so many questions on a single concept. You do not need to solve all the questions. Just solve each type 2 or 3 questions. Okay. Booklet में books में you have so many questions in booklet. You have so many questions in books. You need to solve only 2-3 questions, the different type of question on each topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
one
actually,
point problem
I
और हो
have,
जाता.
sir, I
Yes.
shared you the link, sir. Gmail link. You can send the book, and I will share that.
Gmail link.
No, sir, my email ID I have sent you. So the mail you.
Achha, you have shared your email ID.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Preeti Singh or Ganesh Ram. So I have got 4. Can I share to one of you and you will share it in WhatsApp?
Okay, sir. Sir, mine is Pradeep, sir.
Pradeep.
Yes,
You have a
Pradeep.
WhatsApp group, na? All of you have
Yes, sir.
in a
Yes,
WhatsApp
sir,
group?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I am sharing with you.
Yes,
You
sir.
can share with all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sorry guys, I have to go. I will take the next class before 30 minutes if you are available at 3:30. Actually, I have to go with someone else. It's almost 5 o'clock. Okay, so we will continue this percentage in next class. If possible, I will take on Saturdays or Sunday. I will inform you. If we have a free slot, I will take a 1 more hour class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So I'm sharing the booklet. Booklet कहाँ गई? So how many of you have joined recently? Let me see the names. So we have Nikita, Ankita, Naveen, Chandran, Pani, Kaveri, Madhuri, Shubham, Abhishek, Ganesh, Pradipta, Mansi, Prakshi, Kavita, Prati, Shubham, Malvika, Meenal, Ramkishan, Modi, Sadvik, Naro, and Simran. I think Simran, Lidinaro, Meenal, Prati, पहली अटेंड कर चुके हैं ना हम तो क्लासेस.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But sir, ऐसे थोड़ा रिवीजन सर और ऐसे अच्छा हो रहा है.
अभी तो एक ही टॉपिक पढ़ा था हमने.
हाँ जी सर.
So this is the second topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will continue. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Have a nice day, sir.
चलो have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Welcome.